Lyrics Playhouse. Okay guys, let's continue. We have some balls. Balls start with the letter B. Did you know that? Balls. Do you hear that sound? B makes the sound B. The B says B. The B says B. Every letter makes a sound. The B says B. Balls. How many balls do we have? 1, 2, 3. Very good. We have an orange one, a yellow one, and a pink one. Very good. We also have a blue chair. The color is blue. And do you hear the B sound in it for B? For the letter B? Blue. A blue chair. Very good. We have a bear. Do you remember our bear from the beginning? Do you? Of course you do. We have a blue bear. Blue starts with the letter B. It makes the B sound. Here's our bear from the beginning. Hi, Mr. Bear. Hi. Can you say hello to Mr. Bear or bye because we're at the end now? Thanks for joining us as we went over the letter B in our alphabet series. Until next time. Please subscribe and hit that like button. And remember, always keep learning.